I don't know who needs to hear this, but it's going to work out for you. And it's going to be so much better than you can even imagine. Like what you're imagining your life could look like right now, amplify that by 2,000,000%. That's how good it can get. Wherever you are, whatever you're feeling, however your life looks like, it can and will change. Things can literally change in minutes, in seconds. You could receive that text message from your person right now. The money you've been desiring could enter your bank account right this second. That job offer you've been waiting for can be yours right now. Yes, now, like this second. Believe and assume that it can happen for you. And great things always happen for you. Everything is always working out for you. Just keep working on yourself. Keep tapping. You know I love EFT tapping. Get my tapping bundles at the top of my page. Start changing your energy today. Stop procrastinating your glow up. Okay? Follow for more. I love you, and I'll see you next time.